Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this official Bosch air filter. So, this is the model number. I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got it from. I like to use brand name air filters in my truck. First generation Toyota Tacoma. Fixing it up, upgrading it a lot lately, so see a lot of Tacoma swag and car parts. All right, boom. Let's check it out. Wow, fresh, just like OEM Bosch brand. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comments section below, and I will drop a link in the video description on where I got this from. All right, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Take care. Later.